Yeah, I think that's, yeah, whatever. People would ask me, like, stuff, yeah, but some of it's cool, but some of it's just weird. One person, this yeah, asked me, I can't really, so, wait, okay, I don't know, I might be misreading that, but no, y'all are some weird people. Okay, I'm just gonna go down and look, so give me a minute. Alright, here we go. It says, figured it was different. Never mind. Okay, this girl asked me, yeah, I don't know how to pronounce her name. She asked me, what is my favorite movie between Notebook, Titanic, and what? And Gravity. Okay, this is really good. Well, Notebook and Gravity, they're awesome, but my one-time favorite is Titanic. Titanic is a very sad, loving movie, and yeah, I'll let it say. There's an answer. I'm weird. Leave me alone. Okay, next question. People have some weird questions. Just quit. Okay. Okay, next question. From Annabelle yeah. Why do I wear beanies in my videos? Wait, you know what? Because I like beanies. Matter of fact, sit on for you. Because I like beanies, and they just, like, clean off my, all this, clean off, things like that, it takes it away, and that's why I wear beanies, and yeah, and I don't know why people ask, what's in the back. You see a wolf. And beside me is a wall. And beside me is my stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I don't like the beanie on me right now. Because it don't look so good. But anyway, that's why I wear a beanie, so I can off guard this. Next question. What is your favorite cereal? My favorite cereal is, need to go subscribe her, like her channel, follow her, everything, yeah. And, well, my dad made it for us one day. I can't remember the freaking name of it. That's her best friend's cereal pot. She wants a thing. Anyways, I don't know, he made it for us one day, and it was really good. Yeah. And, yeah. Okay, next question. What is your favorite, oh, my bad. What's your favorite food? What is your favorite food to eat with your friends / best friend? Me and my best friend, we'd always make this girl named Brandy make us these mashed potatoes, and oh my god, they were so good. Sorry, I cleared. Okay, well, I just put some medicine on it and cleaned it. And now I can't feel it. Anyways, oh, so good. Okay, yeah, she'd make us these mashed potatoes, and like they're so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna do one more question. Clear my throat. Okay, next question. Okay. Ow. What is in my phone? To be honest. Not her. His. Not that. Sorry, dude. Next question asked. Same question as the girl did. Why do you wear penis in every video? I'm not discussing that ever again. But, yeah. That's it. So, give it a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like this video, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up anyway.